Once you've logged into CloudRT, you'll be presented with the Get Started page. So let's click Get Started to see your subscription plan options. Select a suitable subscription plan for your project needs and proceed to the Creating Your Tenant page. As of this moment, there are only 3 plans to choose from. Either a trial, which lasts for 30 days and only allows you to create 1 project, pay-per-use, which gives you a non-expiring account and much more streaming resources in general, or a custom plan via your request, which would allow you to set your own resource demand. If you require a customized plan, please use the contact form here for consultation. So for the tutorial, I'll start with the trial plan. Now you can enter an appropriate tenant name to get started. A tenant is basically the name of your organization under which your projects will be hosted. Regarding the tenant, there are some things to take into consideration. So, we recommend using your company name for the tenant name, purely for readability in our database and for ease of customer support. Currently, only 1 tenant is allowed per user. Inviting other users to your tenant is not possible at this moment either, although updates regarding this feature will follow in the future. And lastly, changing the name of your tenant after its creation is currently not possible. However, name changes can be requested from Arcware admins in this case. So once you've created your tenant, you'll notice up here that it's pre-selected for your account whenever you're logged in. Now you have your tenant set up, you can proceed to the next step regarding creating your first project.